Hey guys, I'm Joe Hendricks, and this is exactly what your one-on-one photography consultation is going to look like with me. I wanted to let you kind of see what to expect, and I answer any question that you have about photography, whether you're beginning, amateur, or professional. I've been doing this for about 26 years. I learned in the Navy as a film photographer, so I can handle film questions as well. But I've been doing this business, just me and my wife, for about 9 years straight. And we've become high-end wedding photographers. And I love talking about photography more than anything in the world, whether it be travel, landscape, portraiture, weddings, families, babies, blah, anything. I make it fun. I get to the point, and I answer any question that you have for me. I don't hold anything back. No secrets. I tell you all the tips you need. But it's an hour long. It is $100, and you can click the button right here below to book me right now. It'll send you to a calendar, pick your date, and I will be there. And anyways, I look forward to meeting you guys. Can't wait to see your amazing photography, and I cannot wait to help you get to the next level, because that's kind of what we're all trying to do, is be more creative and be more professional. And that's what I can help you out with. If you have any questions for me, email me at joe@joehendricks.com, and I look forward to meeting you guys one-on-one. Take care.